Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2004 Lamborghini Gallardo Coupe, equipped with a 5-liter, 750 horsepower, Titan twin-turbo Stage 1 V10 engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. This car is finished in a beautiful Blu Caelum exterior color, along with a vinyl-wrapped, matte black front hood, top, and side stripes. The vinyl wrap is of course removable. The interior comes in full leather two-tone elegant Blu Scylla top dash, doors and console, and Cuoio Olympus seats, door inserts, and bottom dash. The car is very clean and nicely optioned, including Titan twin-turbo Stage 1, Kenwood touchscreen stereo, navigation, DVD, CD, iPhone, Bluetooth, carbon Kevlar clutch upgrade, smoke tail lights and side markers, shiny black painted Cassiopia wheels, elegant two-tone interior, power heated seats, clear bonnet, and much more.